Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Adobe Photoshop app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to download this PS Express app. And now we have to click on this. As you can see, we have to wait for a few seconds here until it load. And now we have to click on the next here. And let's click on the next again. As you can see, these options are provided here. And then let's click on the continue on the next. And as you can see, now I'm going to click on this cut one here. And now we have to click on the OK. Now we have to click on the full access and let's click on the OK again and let's click on the allow. And as you can see, I'm going to cut this again. So as you can see, now we have to click on this cut again. And as you can see, now we have to choose the photo. As you can see, now our account is ready to use because we have already created our account on the Adobe Lightroom. So that's why it's showing like this. For example, I'm going to choose this picture here. So as you can see, you will get the options related to picture. Now you can edit whatever you want. So in this way, you can create your account on the Adobe Photoshop. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.